You coming to October month 2020 highlights. If you're going to see, difficulties may have the cancers under absolutely different part of the October notwithstanding. A few cancer snakes will discover they will have no affections. With Gemini's, they will have a new beneficial encounters. Cancers will guarantee that sentimentalism becomes the overwhelming focus, and their environment areas will be exhibit their complete trust in the important characteristics of these darling children of the moon. Connections with the signs like Capricorn, Leo, and Scorpio will likewise be advantages, while companionship with Taurus will help, empowering them to complete an undertaking that has been frequently delayed. Their knowledge of an excursion of the mind, great correspondence, and the chance of making self devoted to what task you are performing will be endowments, which will be brought by Venus and Scorpio and Mars and Virgo. And the fairy mix will improve the best growth characteristics such as affection and sympathy for the other people. Cancers will create a room of quite enthusiastic association around them, which will support them all the way. October will particularly will be helpful for the individuals who, as of now, have been making living and administrator similar positions. All in all, everything will work easily until 20th, when the Venus switches its signs, removing cancers from their favors. Coming to their love horoscopes, mm, Cancer guarantees Cancer stable connections during the initial part of the month. You intensified exotic nature will be compel you to live amazing experience. Half of the October problems will be overwhelmed. The delicate cancers, it will be to your greatest advantage to hold on until the circumstances changing. Geminis will bring new worries in Cancer's life, as crabs will surrender their household restrictions and find their paths their home. There are circumstances that can support their development. Alongside other cancers, you may wager your relationship with them. Lot of sentimentalism, Mars and cars can cancer make you forceful. But many cancers will question this space with regard. Regards vanquish some structural ties. Consistently, they have a super mind of mind. They will encourage the accomplishments of love. They chance the chance to get a state of profound understanding with your expressions of love will be introduced in an amazing manner. Mercury, career and finance and finances horoscope. Mercury and the Sun is in Libra will be the test that you will make your more innovations as soon as possible during this month. On the off chance they can coordinate efforts, show any irregularities, they won't be frightened. Not to mention, you may heal with your relationships by demonstrating different dispositions in the wake of experience what makes you happy. Venus will pass through Virgo with Jupiter Mars, which can make you feel incredible energy and the desire to interact more associates and collaborates. You will have the option to depend on events that gives you more prominent steadiness at work and as far as money goes. Cancers must collaborate with Aries, their proud children of Mars, as this will have them fixing issues at work. Also, Leos are more intense in their benefits, so they can help to Cancers to finish what they have to start, even to bring financial advantage to their community. Because Scorpio constantly put in efforts to help Cancers. When others surrender, they immediately process accomplish one objective after the other. By collaborating the Capricorns, Cancer will get to the B financial soundness, and they have been constantly hearing for the forceful conduct and tendency to acknowledge demands of Capricorns make Cancers venture and become more fortunate. Play could increase for those who have jobs related to for feelings. For example, though completed in the style, fashion and industries. So coming to the 18th also, I mean October, advantages can be brought to by some connection with food. Particular event they are natural, organ foods or activities related to cultivating vegetables. Cancer will have the decent month when it comes to their business activities too. So this is about cancers. and we will get back with soon with Leo. And November also there, and 22 horoscope will be there, and story about this one. And bye. Subscribe.